Yellow gem is there. Yellow sapphire from Sri Lanka. Yellow gem from Sri Lanka usually do not contain rutile silk, which is why yellow star gems are so very rare. In yellow gems, the silk pattern, rutile silk pattern is not there inside yellow. Here, instead of that, rutile silk is like this. These are the rutile silks, no 60 degrees angles. Instead, they contain small magnesium-bearing particles. These are magnesium-bearing particles dispersed in the same pattern as rutile. Care must be taken not to confuse these natural inclusions with partially dissolved silk in heat-treated stones. This is not heat-treated, not partially dissolved silk with heat treatment. Don't misunderstand that. Care must be taken not to confuse these natural inclusions with partially dissolved silk in heat-treated stones. So this is natural stone. So magnesium-bearing particles are dispersed here instead of rutile silk. 60 degrees angles are there. You know that base of the star. So yellow stars are very rare because inside the yellow sapphire, rutile is with small magnesium bearing particles. So no star is coming out when we cut it. It also Sri Lankan stone. No treatment. Fingerprints betray the underlying atomic symmetry. This is the fingerprint. It says us the underlying atomic symmetry. You can see earlier. In here, this iridescent fingerprint lies along a prism face. Along a prism face as indicated by its rectangular shapes. You can understand the rectangular shapes here. This rectangular shapes tells us it lies along a prism face in C-axis. In earlier, we saw it here. This one. We saw it here.